circa 8 to 9 months ago, we started looking to invest heavily into new surface mount machinery. Europlacer were an obvious candidate for us to work with. So we ended up going down for a demo of the machinery. Really impressed with what we saw in the sales team that we dealt with. So we come back, we got our heads together and decided that we would go down a semi-automated line route. So we're now here today running IDEO 2 Plus with the Europlacer stencil printer and their full line solution.
So I think with Europlacer, right from day one, originally it was a recommendation from an existing Europlacer customer. And from day one with Elliot and his team, it's been a great rapport with those guys. They've responded well, they've fed the information to us, it's been presented well, the demonstrations that they gave to ourselves and to the team have been great. And I can't really praise them enough.
The training that our team have received has been second to none. 3 days off-site, and then come back on-site. They've been trained over the course of a week to operate the machinery properly. They're able to problem and fault find. It's really, really good. The machine itself, so the IDEO itself, is a really intuitive sort of image-based machine. It's very easy to learn. It's not code-based, it's very visual. So yeah, our team have picked it up really, really quickly.
Yeah, the Europlacer guys all seem to have their own little specialty, but each one of them seems very knowledgeable in their individual fields. So a team of people that have been sent down. I think it's good that the whole line can be serviced by the one company, and going forward it should be sort of much smoother just maintaining the equipment.
So we've had a few issues, as you'd expect with new machinery, but the service team of Europlacer have been available on the phone sort of 24 hours a day. Usually we'll get a response within 30 minutes. If it's a serious problem, we need an engineer on site. We've seen them same day. So yeah, really positive all round.
The customer always has contact with us. We have ways of remoting into the machine, then formulate an answer purely by actually physically watching what's going on, rather than instead of having to physically visit, we can have a look and then we can assist them more on the phone. It's more direct, it's much quicker as well. We can fix them now as opposed to later on. Everyone's happy with that.
Yeah, it's been very smooth. There's great people at Europlacer. So right from day one, from the initial presentation and demonstration that we saw of the line at their premises, right the way through, the input from them, the support from all of their teams within the sales side, now within marketing, but also within their service. And it's been a very smooth ride all through, very enjoyable.